Hey y'all, it's been literally 6 months since the last time that I've been on here with you guys, but I'm back and we're just gonna jump right into this video. So I started by pushing her cuticles back. Oh yeah, this is my really good homegirl. She's also a nail tech. Shout out to Naya, aka her boss nails. But yeah, so I'm going in doing a cuticle prep and cleanup. And now I am about to start doing the rest of her nail prep, so just stay tuned for that. I also wanted to talk to you guys about what I've been doing these last couple of months, just trying to rebrand and get my life back in order. I also moved, so you know, if you're not following me on Instagram or on TikTok, you don't know that. So if I was you, I would highly recommend y'all tune into my TikTok. But yeah, because I be showing a lot of stuff on there. So anyways, back into the nails. I'm about to start dehydrating and priming and putting on her nail tips. The nail tips that I'm using in this video are the Kiara Sky nail tips. And this is also an old video, y'all. Like at the end, you're going to be able to see that I was in my old shop when I originally recorded this set. The tip cutter that I'm using is from Amazon. I believe it's linked in my Amazon storefront. The link is going to be in the description to my storefront. And also, that is where I got my pink sandy bands from. On TikTok, the girlies love the pink sandy bands. And clearly, I'm a pink girly, so a lot of my stuff is pink. A lot of it, like I said, can be found in my Amazon storefront. The primer and dehydrator that I'm using, I get them from Ocean Nail Supply. It's a nail supply store in LA. And I love them. Shout out to John. If you go up in there, tell him Ken sent you. You're gonna love him. But anyway, this is a little bit of my acrylic application. So I know somebody's gonna be like, you didn't completely cover the side. So let me explain. The way that I lay my acrylic when I'm doing short nails is a little bit different, because short nails, in my opinion, tend to be a little bit more bulky when they're in like a regular square shape. So even though I pre-foul the sides in the beginning, I just always form the acrylic to my liking and it works out. You're gonna see that in a little bit, you know, when I'm done with the application. I can't remember this acrylic cover either. I believe I custom made it, so don't ask, because y'all don't know. Sorry.
I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe.
As you can see, I don't follow like any traditional, well, back during this time I didn't follow like, you know, 1B 2B method, nothing like that. Even though I was working on perfecting my acrylic application still, I was just more so, you know, like I said, trying to get the shape of the nails to how I wanted it while making sure her actual sidewalls was covered. So this is me going in and fouling off all the extras. So as you can see, the nail still has that nice square shape and is very straight without the C curve. And that's how she likes her nail tips, and that is also how I like the tips to be shaped. I no longer use the Kiara Sky nail tips though, because they did just have too much of a C curve. So currently now I use the nail tips from the Nail Lab. I believe it's their 3XL square nail tips. So here I'm going in and I'm applying cuticle oil to the nails so I can buff them out after I sealed her cuticles with my 5-in-1 Pana drill bit. And now I'm going in and showing a little bit of the design. So she had an inspo picture. But anyways, I'm doing a double French on her pinkies. Her middle fingers are going to be like this cute blinged out nail, so extra, so girl la la. And I believe her ring finger also matched her middle finger. I don't know. I can't really remember, but I know she has 2 bling hands on each nail. So anyway, y'all, just get into this double French. It came out so cute. And I believe I'm using a 25 millimeter liner brush. Oh, okay. So boom, now I can see the nails. I'm so sorry, y'all. I couldn't remember how I did this. It was so long ago. So it's her ring finger and it's her index finger that's blinged out. And these just look so cute. I am using Koopa's top coat, and I do top coat on top of my charms. I get my charms from Blue Street and Swarovski, also Amazon. So it just depends, but it doesn't take away from the shine. So that's why I like doing it still, and you know, just make sure everything is protected and locked in. So get into this snippet of her stressing me out in the middle of our service.
What are you doing?
Oh, you don't have them. You don't have them. Are you still recording?
Yeah! This why she can't come back!
I'm so sorry. I thought she meant like, because I'm actually right here. You ain't gonna have me being looking.
Y'all, she's the most problematic person that's ever sat in my chair. The nails eating though. So y'all, if y'all made it this far, we are now at the end. Please leave a like, comment, and share what you think about the service that I provided for my homegirl. And you know, if you have something to say about my commentary, let me know. I'll definitely be including more. See ya.